Here we will include PHP include once includes header.php, next PHP include once navbar. Next to this one, at the bottom we will need to include PHP include once includes footer.php. 7 refresh. You will see this how it looks like. When you refresh, yeah, it's already included, but we don't have a login form over here, so I wanted to use that one. So here in here, let's come to here. When you click on login, it says index.php, then question mark source required to login. If you click on login and join, it says no need of either join.php or login.php, so it has something else. So we will do that one. Then we click back. We will do that one. How in PHP it is cool. Let's create some PHP here. Let's create some PHP here. Now we would create if statement. If we have a few methods of form submission, which is get and posts in case of file, so we are going to use get because the file is passed by using get method. Here source equal to login, we are able to see. So get what source, get source. Let's cut this one. If is set get source is equals to get source else if the source is not given by get method, the source will be empty. We don't have anything. Now let's create something like source is equals to login. Yeah, login in source is equals to login. We have created one variable. We are going to pass this value to this one. So we would say by using some switch statement, switch what? This switch will be if it is more than a single string, it will make some problem, so we need to cut this one and use URL encoding method which is built-in function for PHP. So URL encoding, we'll use URL encoding password source. Then if the case it will be login, we need to include once includes login as a default. Also as a default, if nothing is passed to the source, we need to include this one. Also, why we included here, if in case the login button is clicked, we need to use login, so we have already included. But if you don't include also, no matter, it's up to you. Now let's go to the browser and refresh this one. You will see what it looks like. It says undefined variable login at number line 17, so this is okay. Line 70. Here this is not login. We need to use something like this. That's why it is saying the file is undefined. But now no problem, everything's okay. Now we have already created